Accounting Add-ons is proud to present OdataLink, the simplest way to integrate MYOB or Xero with Power BI and Microsoft Excel. OdataLink is an OData feed provider that shapes the MYOB or Xero data into a format that can readily be used by Power BI and Excel without the need for any external software, additional setup, or complex programming. With OdataLink, accessing your data is as simple as copying a URL and selecting the endpoints to retrieve. OdataLink's powerful model functionality ensures the highest security, allowing you to control the data files and endpoints that specific users can access. Whether using Power BI on the desktop or cloud, Microsoft Excel, or any other OData client including SQL Server integration services, OdataLink is the answer. Get started today and register for your 30-day trial at odatalink.com.